fun things we can discover if we look hard enough. Come on. Spring and the snow's melting and the bears are waking up from hibernation. You know, on second thought, I think maybe we should use our imagination controllers and pretend that we have a bear cave inside, made with blankets over chairs, and I'll read you a story about a sleeping bear. So let's get out those imagination controllers. Okay, got it? Need to raise that antenna. Dial it in. Set it for the bear cave. Push the button. Hey, I made it to my cave. Did you make it to yours? Wow, and I even have some spelunking gear on. You know what spelunking means? It means we're gonna go cave exploring. So, let's get that light turned on and let's go explore our cave. We've got climbing down. Good thing I brought my rope. To read our story today, and our story is Bear Snores On. It's written by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman, and the publisher is Simon & Schuster. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cried, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, and Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." and they nibble, and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, and then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Well, thanks for listening with me today. And you know what? Just like when a bear wakes up and is really hungry after that hibernating, it's time for a snack. So I think I'm off for a snack too. We'll see you next time. Oh, and that bear cave I thought I saw? Turns out it was a rabbit hole. Well, have fun. We'll see you next time.